And before we wrap, let's prep you up for tomorrow and tell you the big events to watch out for. Gaurav is now joining in.
Well, yes. From the global market, first let's talk about US unemployment rate. Remember, that data is going to come. And amidst the macro environment, which is currently there it is important to see how this number comes. Remember, Street is expecting around 4.3% as unemployment rate. Other than that, World Bank, IMF annual meeting, that is going on. So let's see if anything material comes out of that. But apart from that, from the Indian market, first let's talk about the FX reserve data. Now, we'll get that data. And that is also important because if you look at rupee, the rupee has depreciated, and that is the reason why we will be watching out on this data. From the company specific data points, we have results going on, and tomorrow the biggest company is coming, which is Reliance Industries. Other than that, we also have JSW Steel and L&T Technology. Now these companies will be posting the results, so we'll be watching out on that. We also have Havells India, India Cements, Polycab India. They all will come up with their second quarter's results. And from the financials, we have got AU Small Finance Bank, Poonawalla FinCorp and Bank of India. Some of these companies we have already seen some rally. So definitely watching out on how the numbers are coming, if they will disappoint investors or investors will share more about it. Apart from that, let's also not forget that tomorrow is a listing for Canara HSBC Life Insurance Company. So we will be also watching out on how the listing goes. As of now, there was decent subscription data, but let's also watch out how the listing goes for this company tomorrow.
Okay, Gaurav, thank you so much for that. But with that, we're going to wrap up this edition of Markets Forward. Thank you so much for tuning in. More news and updates on the other side.